come to follow them, and yeah, you hear. And you watching God give here, and the monk here don't buy every week.
What you mean, oh, God give me the amount of ear me buy every week?
That is true.
What you mean the amount of ear me buy every week and God does give me ear? God give everybody ear.
Definitely. So
And people does buy, spend money and buy ear and buy wig.
That's why it's right. Because let me go.
You mean the fuck is this? Somebody dumb to buy a wig or an ear extension? What make them so dumb for wear a wig or ear extension?
Because give you here.
God give you a ear doesn't mean you can't wear ear extension.
White people here, the white people don't get out thing on top of the yard, put them in out again.
You're fucking bright. So white people dead and then cut off the white people and dead now. The dead people in here and sell it to we black people. You're fucking bright. You're going to sit down and tell me, say, then go to the place when the people them dead then cut off the ear and sell it back to we. You're out of the man. Oh, you mean y'all paying top money for dead people here and we nasty? Fucking man, you're bright, you know. Passing place, yo. No, sir. So we take food with money. We work hard for and earn and buy dead people here. Because when people are dead, or then chop off the people in here and give we as black people putting away here as weave. I saw him attack, say him somebody, we're not calling nobody name. I think that's wrong and that's discriminating on black people and them ear. We buy good ear with somebody ear my plastic and all of the ear my human being. That's a number one. And all of the ear my human, somebody ear my plastic. And all of them are human. But people can talk when they want to talk. So. That don't mean so we're going to stop with a wig. Or we're going to stop with extension. You talk about the human ear, give them fungus and ear and rat out the head. Why them I go bald? I don't know about that. My head no bald. You see my head look bald? No. My head don't look bald. What? A lot of my friends is bald, yes. A lot of my friends are bald. But I'm not going to say the ear make them bald. But they have some kind of problem with them head why them bald. You know, I'm not going to say the extension. Some people put extension and keep it too long and them ear they give them fungus because they keep it too long. And they start to rot and them head, that's a difference. That's a difference when you're wearing a weave or something and your ear clean. That's what I'm saying. And I found a man enough criticized because when you see one woman with that chicken on her head and the woman good and she walk on her body big, one of the first one to quick to call to her because she having some good weave. One of the first one to call to her. When you see a woman body big, you know her body falls. And every woman body big, woman body falls. Because my body no falls. My body falls. So my body falls now. When you hear my body falls, the man say my body falls. And what kind of injection is I inject my body with? Your dick. Your wood. Your spot for your wood. So how come my body falls? Would you use to inject me? How come my body falls? Fucking bright. My body is never false. Because I take injection, I'm going to have no implant. When I don't eat no food, my body go down. When I have no food, my body come big and bloom like flowers. I'm exercise. Simple as that. My body is not false. So watch your attacks, okay? Get your story straight. Okay? Thank you. Yes, so like I said to yourself, one world, one love.
Just 100 deliveries. His third one-day national 100 and one of his greatest.
When you have good pum pum and it start to grip, all the man attack fucker and can't go away. When that good pum pum grip him, when you have a good body, you just have a good body and he can't stop it. That's why some girl not gonna like you. Don't want to call it ugly, don't want to call it ugly. But guess what? Your body nice. Cause when you have pum pum a grip, it grip nice and it vibrates sweet.
Miscued Faf du Plessis takes the catch. Good effort. Really good running catch over his shoulder. And the excellent innings of Darren Bravo comes to an end. Superb 100. But South Africa will be delighted with
Yeah. Wink me say. Yeah, so some of them batty will stretch out because they use it too much. So you can tight up batty will. Yeah, to them, you know. So you're not watching the face, yeah. But like I said, I don't want to criticize with black hair. And we can sit and put in our hair. But then go and talk about hair because black girl pum pum sweet. We got it all done pack. Black of the berry as sweet of the juice. If we don't have no ear, we can't sew no ear panny. You can't always blow and blow like you lose here. Like when car tire old. Me yeah. One for say black girl pum pum full of alum. Black girl pum pum full of alum because I sell alum. That I want to use alum and then pum pum and so what? Someone want to talk about black girl pum pum full of alum, but I never know how to suck it. That's why when someone suck some pum pum and alum catching on a blood clot mouth. Remember when alum they catch some people on their mouth and they go suck on the pum pum, they just bring to the alum and the alum make the pum pum tight and the alum just lock your blood clot jaw wound from the corner so. Alum just lock up your mouth, the alum lock up your alum the pum pum tight. Lock it up. The alum just try it up on the blow out tongue. You want to come talk about? I want to the idiot man. I want to him. Alum the pum pum tight. Alum the pum pum good my friend. And when I want to escape and go and I'm suck it and then put them tongue for it and then suck it to realize that them tongue gets stiff. The mouth get tight up and turn on the side and then get stroke. Alum the pum pum soak on them tongue and come talk about alum. Don't talk about no girl tight pussy alum. Who dare you? And when you suck it till your mouth lean up on the corner, or the alum just tighten your tongue. Yeah, alum just tighten your tongue. And it make you talk so much you want your tongue tighten. But I want to look at this alum left, you know. But I'm going to get it and wash the pussy with it, because once I wash the pussy with it, it'll go tighten up. Tighten the pussy, go tighten up. And then make you come and suck it on your mouth and go lean on the side like you get pussy stroke, my friend. Stop talking before make your tongue get overused and get pussy stroke, my friend. Okay? You get pussy stroke, my friend. Oh, I try your talk too much. You get pussy stroke. Yeah. Yeah, idiot, I know. All them talk about pussy upon them tongue. And they hurt them tongue till them tired. Oh, whatever. One of them all up them pussy for week we get mass pussy all. My cocky got bling. Shit, me just remember cocky. Might as well put on a strap on. Make mistake and say my cocky got bling. What am I thinking about? I'm a guy. What am I thinking that I have a cocky? I just say my cocky get bling. What the fuck? I'm going to cocky now. That's some serious fucking shit. Yeah, no girls, so they want to come suck off my cocky, yeah. Hey boy, I talk too much, you know. Man, chop on my cocky and push it on the windpipe. Watch it, my head. Oh, shit. Fuck your talk with like a pussy, man. Anything going in the windpipe, you want to put something on somebody's windpipe? Nobody now put on my windpipe, baby. Hey. Me push cocky down man windpipe. Why you there ask me push my cocky down windpipe? Why you there ask me take a false cocky and strap it on? Up down a boy windpipe. Why you still see that? What a disgrace. Oh, yeah.